Hey, what's up guys? It's Jay here, and alright, so I wanted to talk about why I'm using the OnePlus 7 launcher versus otherwise really any other launcher that's available, especially like Nova launcher, for example. And I've been a Nova launcher user for the longest time, for as long as I can remember. And I switched over to Action Launcher once, and I also switched over to Launcher for a little bit, and then there's like a new one, Hyperion Launcher. There's some new ones. Main thing actually, the reason why I use the OnePlus 7 launcher is because when you have drawer folders and you expand it to view the rest, like it's set purposely on the bottom, so there's an intention, there's purpose with the design. So when I open this, I can go to all my apps without having to like shimmy my hand around to figure out how to navigate my phone basically. And given that this is a huge phone and there's no one-handed mode, it makes it really that much more important to have a feature like this. So if it did have one-handed mode, I could use it, though I'm not like big on one-handed mode stuff. So there's that. And then some of the other designs, such as like the bottom part of the dock here, there's a lot of space here, so that when you're swiping around, I'm using the fully gestural navigation from OnePlus. So if I say go here and then we want to go back, you see how it has a lot of space. Even I can do that here. So you see that? So it's really useful, I think. And of course they have the shelf. I don't really use it, unfortunately. I do prefer the OnePlus, the Google feed. I prefer this a lot better, but unfortunately for the international version, they don't include it. I don't know why. They do include it for the T-Mobile version, but not this version. So that is unfortunate. So that's the main reason why I use this launcher. Some other features, so we'll go through the home settings here. All right, so you can see that the swipe down menu, they have the swipe down. So you can see that they have a swipe down option, so that when you swipe down from the home screen, you can get access to quick settings. You have the shelf, of course. You can double tap to lock as well, which is awesome because that's not on any other launcher, I believe. Maybe like some third-party customized one, but this is the stock one, so they added that, and that's pretty cool. And there's some other options here, like you can display the all apps or quick search when you go to your drawer. Show you that in a minute. And then this one I really like personally. You can select the type of icons you want at the bottom here. There's tons. I have tons set up, but right now I'm using Moxie. And then you can customize the home screen layout. You see there, you can do the sizes, different columns, number of columns, and then the size of the icon to make them really small or make them really big. And then let's go ahead and show you guys the drawer type. So you can do all apps, which I'll show you now. This is all apps. Or you can go to settings again, go to drawer, quick search. So you can go up, you scroll up, now it just has a search menu where you can search for whatever you want. But preferably I'd like to see the all apps with the most used applications at the top, or like recent apps or whatnot. So yeah, I definitely prefer this right now. And then also like the other thing is actually I wanted to bring up was the app switching or app selection. So if I go to Yelp, for example, and I load it up, and then I go home, you see that the animation is really nice, it's fluid. But if I use Nova Launcher or something like that, it's not as fluid at all. And then, that's unfortunate, because I know that's due to the way that OnePlus had designed their launcher to work with this phone, and they added animations for that. It would be really cool to see if you could build it so that it works with third-party launchers, but it is what it is. So yeah, that's kind of why I'm using the OnePlus 7 launcher. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I definitely give it a try if you can, and let me know what other videos I should make with the OnePlus 7 Pro. But until then, it's Jay, and then I'll see you guys later.